In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect MetaMask to your bank account. First, open MetaMask on your iPhone, Android device, or browser extension. When you do this, you'll see the familiar interface of your wallet, displaying your cryptocurrency balances and recent transactions. This is where the journey begins. By accessing MetaMask, you are taking the first step towards managing your crypto assets more effectively. Remember, MetaMask is your gateway to the world of decentralized finance, so having it at your fingertips is essential. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything that follows. Next, MetaMask does not let you directly connect a regular bank account to your wallet in the same way that PayPal or a banking app does. Instead, you can use MetaMask's built-in buy and sell features, which work through third-party payment providers. Understanding this distinction is important because it helps manage your expectations when dealing with wallet connectivity. You won't find a direct link to your bank like you would with other services. Instead, MetaMask offers a streamlined process that ensures your transactions remain secure and compliant with regulations. Now, to add a bank account for buying or selling crypto, start by opening MetaMask and tapping on either the buy or sell option. On the screen, you will see two clear buttons that guide you to the action you want to take. Tapping this option will lead you to the next steps in purchasing or cashing out your cryptocurrency. This is a simple yet effective way to navigate what might initially seem like a complex process. By selecting buy or sell, you are indicating your intent to interact with your assets, which is an empowering move as you engage with the crypto market. Once you've tapped on buy or sell, choose the cryptocurrency and the amount you want to buy or cash out. This is where you will select from various options like Ethereum or Bitcoin depending on what you wish to trade. You can also specify how much you want to purchase or withdraw. This step is significant because it gives you control over your transactions and allows you to make decisions based on your current investment strategy. Be sure to double-check the amount you enter, as this will directly affect your wallet balance and transaction details. Next, select bank transfer as your payment method if it is available in your country. This option may vary based on your location due to different regulations and payment partners. If bank transfer is not available, you might need to choose another payment method. Selecting the right option is critical because it determines how you will fund your crypto purchases. It also ensures that you can complete your transactions smoothly without any hiccups along the way. MetaMask will redirect you to one of its payment partners, where you may need to complete identity verification and enter your bank account details. This process often involves providing personal information to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. It's an essential step that ensures your identity is verified before you can buy or sell cryptocurrencies. Once you complete this step, you are closer to linking your bank account to your MetaMask wallet. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to finish linking your bank account and complete the transaction. This step will guide you through any final requirements needed to finalize your purchase or cash out. It's important to pay attention here, as this makes sure your changes are saved and that your transaction goes through as planned. Important: never enter your secret recovery phrase on any website claiming to connect, verify, or sync your wallet. MetaMask support will never ask for it. Keeping this information secure is vital to protecting your assets and maintaining your peace of mind.